Need to move a customer list into QuickBooks Online without typing every name one by one? For many businesses, customer data already exists in Excel or CSV files, old systems, CRM tools, or lists shared by clients. But bringing that data into QuickBooks Online can still become a slow and frustrating job. In this video, we'll show you how to import customer lists into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions Online so you can upload customer data faster, map fields more easily, and avoid common import mistakes. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Next, open the SaasAnt product page using the link in the description. As you go through the page, you can get a quick overview of the product and the different types of data you can import into QuickBooks Online. When you are ready, click Start Free Trial. You will be redirected to the secure QuickBooks login page. If you are already logged in, just choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with SaasAnt Transactions Online. Start by opening the file that contains your customer data. Check that all the required fields are included. Clean and properly formatted data helps avoid errors and makes the import process much smoother. After setup, you'll land on the SaasAnt Transactions Online dashboard. Click Start Your Import, choose Customers, and then upload your Excel or CSV file. Next, let's map the data. SaasAnt will open the mapping screen where you can connect each column from your file to the right customer field in QuickBooks Online. Then, use Preview Mapping to see how the data will appear after import. This is a helpful step to make sure everything is lined up correctly before you proceed. When everything looks good, click Upload. Once the import finishes, review the alerts and results to confirm that all customers were imported successfully. Once the import is complete, SaasAnt will show the results page with the uploaded customer records and their reference numbers. Click a reference number to check that the customer was imported correctly in QuickBooks Online. That's it. You've successfully imported your customer list. Additionally, in the Settings tab, you'll also find a few useful options for specific use cases. Update customer address from file. If you want to update existing customer addresses in QuickBooks using the latest address details from your file, you can do that from the Settings tab. Turn on this option to let SaasAnt overwrite the existing address in QuickBooks with the address from your import file. Here, the customer already exists in QuickBooks, but the address is outdated. In the file, we have the updated address for the same customer. With this option enabled, SaasAnt will take the latest address from the file and update it in QuickBooks during import. Once the import is complete, you can open the customer record and verify that the address has been updated successfully. Automatically email invoices after import. This is useful during invoice imports. It lets QuickBooks automatically email invoices to customers after the import is complete. If you want invoices to be sent right away, turn this on. Otherwise, you can keep it off and send them later manually.